What is your wildest experience in Boracay?
Sabay-bay. Wow!
Ano nangyari?
May kami.
Uy!
Takot. Yun, wala nang paramdam.
May nangyari?
Or what happens in the Philippines stays in the Philippines.
Oh! Welcome sa Erwin, the Interviewer. Shit, daming tao dito sa Boracay, pre. Let's go. Single or taken?
Single.
No. At may tanong ako, kung may poporma sa yung lalaki, tapos hindi mo bet, paano mo i-reject?
Hindi ko pa na-try mag-reject.
Huh? Ay, hindi pa. Paano pag pinormahan ka tapos hindi mo bet? Paano mangyayari nun?
Nag-chat sila. Hindi ko na lang re-replyan siguro.
Kunwari dito sa Boracay may lumapit sa yung lalaki.
Hindi ko na lang kakausapin.
Kinausap niya ako. Are you single or taken?
Single.
I have a question. If some guy comes up to you and you don't like him, how do you reject him?
I just say I'm not interested.
Oh shit.
But if he keeps asking, then I get one of my friends to help.
Oh. Single or taken?
Single po.
I have a question. Pag may lalaking pumorma sa'yo dito sa Boracay, tapos hindi mo bet, paano mo i-reject?
I'm probably gonna say I have plans.
Anong plans mo tonight?
Probably rest.
Ba't ang istorbo ka ng tulog?
Madam, are you single or taken?
Taken.
Taken. Ang tanong ko para sa mga taken, Madam, what is your wildest experience dito sa Boracay?
Ngayon po, as of now. For now, wala pa. Nagmumuni-muni lang talaga ako mag-isa. So wala akong masashare.
Taken si Madam, di ba? Madam, nasan yung partner mo?
Nasa bahay pa nagluluto.
Are you single or taken?
Oh, taken.
Taken. My question for taken people here is, what is your wildest experience in Boracay?
Wildest? We just came here like 2 hours ago, so...
There's no wild experience yet.
Jollibee. Eating Jollibee was...
The wildest experience. That's so wild, guys. How about you? Are you single or taken?
I'm single.
Okay, I got a different question for you. What if some guy comes up to you and you don't like him? How do you reject him?
I'll just like this to my friend.
I like that to my friend. Then what are you gonna do?
Run again.
Alright. What if you like the guy? What are you gonna do?
Push.
Push him also?
Push.
Then what are you gonna do?
Go to hotel. So I go hotel alone and she goes with that person.
That's amazing. Magjowa? May tanong kasi ako sa mga magjowa. What is your wildest experience dito sa Boracay?
Para sailing po.
Parasailing. Ang wild nun. English, Tagalog? Tagalog.
Taglish.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Single or taken?
Taken po.
My questions for taken people is, what is your wildest experience here in Boracay?
Oh shit, not good.
No comment.
You said you were taken. Where's your partner?
He's back home in the UK.
Oh, so I think that's why.
What happens in the Philippines
Stays in the Philippines.
Oh! May tanong ako sa'yo. Paano pag may lumapit na lalaki, tapos hindi mo bet, ano gagawin mo?
Wala.
Wala kang gagawin? Tahimik ka lang. Paano pag bet mo?
Pero ano?
Nakausapin.
Kausapin. Oy. Paano pag ano? Sige, last question. What is the wildest experience? What is your wildest experience dito sa Boracay? Uy, maming ko no?
Wala nga.
Wala? Promise? Si Mikaela po ba single or taken?
Single.
Uy, single. Kapag single ang tanong ko, paano kapag may lumapit sa yung lalaki? Tapos, hindi mo bet, paano mo i-reject?
Mostly hindi ako nagre-reject. Like, ina-entertain ko lang ng maayos.
So, kahit sino? Oh. Paano pag bet mo?
Wala din. Hindi naman ako like, hindi ako marunong like,
So weird.
May isa pa akong question. What's your wildest experience dito sa Boracay?
May kami.
Uy!
Dito, kaya ako ang takot. Tas,
yun, wala nang paramdam.
May nangyari?
Ay,
Secret. Joy and Jasmine, single or taken?
Singka.
Single.
singka.
So I have this question. What if some guy comes up to you, you don't like him? How do you reject him?
So, may
Wait. How old are you?
18.
18.
18.
Safe. So how do you reject the guy?
So ba? How na no?
So how do you reject him?
No.
No. So strong. How about you?
I'm sorry.
So what's your wildest experience here in Boracay?
Chimao. Translate siya.
Again.
What is your wildest experience here in Boracay? You understand what I said? No. Wildest experience, like, what's the most exciting thing that happened to you guys here in Boracay?
I have pictures.
Oh, you have pictures. Can we see? Oh, the parasailing. Yeah. Do you guys party? Party. Do you guys party?
Party.
Yeah.
Dance.
Dance.
Oh, dance.
Drink. You know?
Oh, no.
You don't drink? Oh.
Try.
You wanna try?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe next time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. English Tagalog. Ala. Ate, wag mo kami takbuhan. Ate,
Ate boy, rejected ka.
Ate, wag mo kami reject. Magtatanong lang ako. Ate, anong pangalan mo?
No problem.
Bakit? Tatanong lang ako. Single taken? Taken. Asa yung partner mo?
Doon sa Sinagpa.
Sinagpa? Saan yun?
Basta doon malayo.
Hindi dito sa Boracay?
Jaman.
Dito. So kasama niya yung partner niya. Isa lang tanong ko, what's your wildest experience dito sa Boracay?
Uwa.
Wala?
Wala.
Bakit?
Bago pala ako dito.
Bago ka pa lang. Gano'ng katagal na?
Mga 1 week.
Uy, matagal na yun.
Papagani, wala pa. Seryoso.
Oh. Anong wildest experience mo?
Sa baybay. Wow! Sa bangka.
Ano nangyari? Uy! Ano nangyari sa bangka? Ikaw na lang magkwento. Ate, ikaw magkwento na nangyari sa bangka.
Habulin kita. Ayaw mo, habulin kita.
Sasabihin ko pagkatapos ko interview kasama mo. Ano pangalan? Tatawagin ko.
Si Mayra Kahilig.
Mayra, halika dito. Ikaw na lang, kumpletuhin mo yung kwento mo. Ayaw daw.
Ayaw na, huwag mo na pilitin.
O sige, hindi na kita pilitin. Ano nangyari? What's your wildest experience sa Boracay?
Anong wildest?
Nagtatanong lang. Aray!